Welcome everybody back to the channel. I just wanted to jump on today and talk about apartment investing groups. And today I just wanted to kind of do a launch or put it out there and let you guys know, my subscribers, that we recently launched this week a apartment investing group on Facebook. And the DMV Multifamily Real Estate Investing Group, and it's kind of dedicated to the Washington D.C., Maryland, Virginia, Northern Virginia area. But we have people from all over the United States that's interested in apartment investing, because we all know that it's a team sport, and you might not necessarily invest in your backyard. And so we invest in North Carolina, Florida, across the Southeast right now there's a lot of great areas to invest in apartments. So I wanted to shoot this video, just kind of share, the community. We're going to be talking about financial terms. I'll be sharing a lot of that information with you, just how to evaluate an apartment investment. We're going to have live events in the Northern Virginia area, of course, after COVID, but we're going to definitely start up virtually. And so we have virtual events that you guys can attend and kind of learn and have different speakers, people that's savvy in the apartment investing space. Mobile homes. Mobile home is definitely a multifamily asset that we're looking to talk about and continue to look at and evaluate those deals as well too, because there are definitely some opportunities for some good investments in mobile homes and in other multifamily. So whether you're talking 5 units to 200 units, we'll have people and bringing in that type of experience from across the full spectrum. And it allow people just to get familiar with the investment type, how they could potentially diversify their existing stock portfolio into cash flowing, producing assets, and get, 8 to 10% cash on cash return, 15 to 20% IRR, over a 3 to 5 year period by investing in apartments. And this has been an investment class that has, for the longest period, up until probably the last decade, been reserved for just select accredited investors, kind of having to know somebody in the room, know somebody involved, even in order to have the opportunity to passively invest in apartments. And so just looking to kind of expose people more and more to the opportunities with investing in apartments, and just kind of share my experience from buying our first 18-unit apartment last year, and looking at some passive investment opportunities, and actually getting more involved on the general partnership as we go against our goal to actually accomplish our goal this year of taking down 2 multifamily properties in 2021. So just want to shoot this quick video and open up the invite to join the DMV Apartment Real Estate Investing Group, and just come along and join the community and continue to learn and provide value to everybody in the community. And we will see you guys on the next video. And make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and like this video, share it with somebody that might be interested in joining the group, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll always be notified when we drop more great content. Thanks.